In 1987, two scavengers broke into an abandoned medical clinic in Brazil. They were looking for scrap metal to sell. Instead, they found something that would kill them. Deep inside the clinic sat a strange metal capsule. When they cracked it open, a mysterious blue powder spilled out. It glowed in the dark like magic. Fascinated, they took it home to show their families. Children played with it. People rubbed it on their skin like glitter. One man even fed it to his 6-year-old niece. Within days, people started getting sick. Violent vomiting, hair falling out in clumps, skin peeling off in sheets. They had no idea they were playing with cesium-137, one of the most radioactive substances on Earth. 4 people died in agony. 250 others were contaminated. The entire city of Goiânia became a radioactive wasteland, all because 2 men found a glowing powder and thought it was beautiful. Sometimes the most dangerous things are the ones that seem magical.